Walking across a kitchen floor barefoot and feeling nothing but smooth, clean tile is a small victory that most of us rarely achieve. Usually, there is a stray crumb or a bit of pet hair waiting to stick to your feet. This new flagship cleaning robot is designed to make that clean floor feeling a permanent part of your life. It represents a massive leap forward in home automation. This is not just a tool that vacuums. It is a complete floor maintenance system that handles the dirty work from start to finish. The most impressive part is the independence of the machine. It does not just clean your floors, it cleans itself. When the job is done, it heads back to its docking station. It empties its own dustbin so you do not have to breathe in a cloud of debris. It washes its own mopping pads with fresh water to ensure they are ready for the next run. It even uses a heat drying system to prevent the growth of mold or bad odors. The base station even refills the internal water reservoir automatically. This level of self-sufficiency means you can go weeks without ever touching the device. The navigation system is another area where this model shines. It uses advanced laser mapping to see your home in 3 dimensions. It does not just bounce off walls like a toy. It maps out the most efficient path around your furniture. It avoids shoes and cords left on the floor with surprising accuracy. One of the biggest headaches with hybrid robots has always been the risk of wet carpets. This machine solves that with a clever lifting mechanism. When it senses a rug or a carpet, it pulls the wet pads up and away. Your expensive rugs stay dry while your hard floors get a thorough scrub. The cleaning performance itself is top-notch for daily upkeep. It uses dual spinning pads that rotate at high speeds to lift stains and footprints. It is a total beast when it comes to pet hair. The suction is strong enough to pull dust out of the deep fibers of your carpet. It is perfect for maintaining a baseline of cleanliness that most of us struggle to keep up with manually. You are essentially buying back your time. Instead of spending 20 minutes every night pushing a vacuum, you can just let this robot handle the heavy lifting. It is a premium investment in your own peace of mind. While there are plenty of cheaper options on the market, few can match this level of total automation. It is a sophisticated piece of technology that actually delivers on the promise of a hands-off home. You get to wake up every single morning to floors that look like they were just professionally cleaned. That is a level of convenience that is hard to put a price on. It is a smart choice for anyone who values their time as much as their clean home. It keeps the dust at bay and the floors shining without you ever having to break a sweat. This machine takes the guesswork out of chores and lets you focus on things that actually matter. It is reliable, intelligent, and surprisingly thorough for a device that works while you sleep. Getting your floors this clean used to require a bucket and a lot of effort, but those days are officially over.